Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Base44 and Cursor. Base44 and Cursor are both AI coding assistants, but they shine in different ways depending on what you're looking for: team collaboration, IDE integration, or autonomy in coding tasks. Base44 is built around the idea of giving your engineering team a full-stack AI teammate. It integrates deeply with your codebase, offering long-term memory, project awareness, and the ability to handle multi-file tasks. It's especially useful for startups and product teams working on real-world applications. It's designed to behave like an engineering embedded in your team, and the interface focuses more on collaboration and context-driven outputs. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-enhanced coding editor based on VS Code. It focuses heavily on in-editor AI assistance, letting you chat with your code, generate snippets, refactor functions, or even debug, all within your IDE. Cursor's strength lies in developer-first workflows and real-time productivity inside the coding environment with fast code completions and deep context understanding. So if you want an AI that feels like a collaborative teammate integrated with your repo and workflow, Base44 is a better choice. But if you prefer a powerful AI within your editor for instant code help, Cursor is likely the more efficient tool for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.